Welcome to Module 1, Safety and First Aid. Children, here we'll study about the safety and first aid. So first term which comes in our mind, that is accidents. Accidents happen at any time and anywhere without warning. They never tell that I am going to happen in your life. So people get hurt due to accidents, and if it is more dangerous, it may even lead to death. Accidents usually happen when someone is careless. So there are few things which could be avoided to face the accidents. People may get hurt in accidents. Sometimes it is fatal. Some common reasons to accidents that can be avoided are knives and scissors, which are usually used in kitchens, playing with matchstick or firecrackers during Diwali or any festival. Then your comes your electricity, playing with electrical points or electrical appliances. It needs careful handling if we are using any electrical appliances. So playing with them causes many accidents on roads. Driving and walking carelessly can also cause an accidents. Accidents can happen when people drive or walk carelessly on the road and do not follow traffic rules. Climbing on trees or furniture, running up and down on staircase. Whether it is home or in school, children do such kind of activities and then they met an accident. Then eating wrong medicine carelessly. Sometimes children eat or drink harmful substances like cleaning liquids or wrong medicines, which results in a serious medical condition, and that is also one of the accidents. Swimming pool and pond drowning. Always swim in the presence of an adult who knows swimming. If you do not know swimming, do not go to the deep end. Now, here comes the term first aid. Third person is called first aid. So, children, first aid is something that when we have met with an accident or we have not gone anywhere. So, first aid is something which is given immediately to the injured person. The main aim of the first aid is to save lives, to make sure that condition of the sick or injured person does not get worse, to keep the sick or injured person comfortable till proper medicinal help arrives. Now the question arises, when to give or not give first aid. Give first aid like small wounds or cuts or scratches or burns, but even then call for medical help or adult supervision. So it is not something that you should give it alone, it should be given under someone's supervision. Do not give first aid if injury looks very serious. If injury is inside the body and the person is in a lot of pain, like broken bones, so in that condition, children, we should immediately go to the doctor. In such cases, immediately call for medical help or any adult for help. Now, here comes the first aid. What are the first aid which is given for different conditions like cuts and scratches, broken bones, sprains, animal bites, nosebleed? So, here we'll discuss, and then last but not the least, the burns, fire, and accidents. So, here we'll discuss one by one in detail about different types of conditions. First is cuts and scratches. During cuts and scratches, wash your hands well before you help the injured. Get rid of germs which might enter the wounds and cause infection. So it becomes very necessary that your hand and the particular area should be free from germs. If the cut is small, wash it with soap and plenty of water and use a clean cotton cloth to clean and dry and apply an antiseptic cream. Cover it with bandage or plaster. So, these are the few things which we can follow when a person suffers from cuts and scratches. As you can see in the picture, the step by step the process is given. First, the wound is cleaned, then an ointment is placed, then a bandage is there, and when it bleeds heavily, then a thick cotton cloth is kept to cover that wound. Can you see in the picture? The person is holding a cotton cloth and covering the wound. If the wound still bleeds, then a bandage called tourniquet is applied on that particular area. So, if the wound does not stop bleeding, a bandage or a strip of cloth is used to cut off the flow of blood from the heart to the wound. What is tourniquet? It is wrapped firmly 2 or 3 times around the limb about 5 to 10 centimeter above the wound and knotted. Leave the tourniquet in place where till you reach the doctor. Reach the doctor for examination of wound and if it is needed to be stitched, an injection called tetanus is given to prevent dangerous diseases. So this becomes very necessary. If a person has got hurt from anything, then he should go for tetanus injection. Then here comes again another condition of broken bones. A bad accident can cause a bone to break. This is called a fracture. So, children, if somebody suffers from fracture or a broken bone, then the pain which that person suffers, that is unbearable, which we call fracture. It is very painful and must be attended by a doctor immediately. As you can see in the picture, the patient has been taken to the doctor so that he can take care of the injured area. The help we can give is by making sure that the part of the body that is fractured is not moved. If it is in the hand, then movement can be prevented with a sling made by hand. If it is in the leg, then give support and make sure the leg is not moved. Stropping a splint piece of metal which is placed near the fractured area and it is tied completely. As you can see in the picture, it is clearly given and it should be done by a trained professional. So, always visit to a professional or a doctor who is trained. Do not try these things at home. Now, another topic, that is sprains. Joints like ankles or wrist may get twisted, may occur while playing games. The joint that is affected swells up and it's very painful. As you can see in the picture, the girl's leg has been twisted and it has got sprain. This is called sprain. So it is very painful. What is the immediate help we can give? Ice pack is used to bring down the swelling. The joint should not be moved until the wound heals. It takes few days to recover that pain. An elastic bandage wrapped around the joint gives supports and prevents the movement of that joint. The crepe bandage is used to cover that sprain.